I had a nice day with Laura and her mom, and we just had breakfast at Cracker Barrel, and now I'm getting on the road. I'm heading over to my mother's hometown in Tennessee. All right, Laura.
Farewell,
Thank
Michael.
you very much for all the kindness and generosity.
Thank you for the fun. You're on video.
Hi, Val. Thank you so much for everything.
You're quite welcome.
And I hope to see you next time I come by.
Okay. Okay.
Some people don't know what to say on camera. Here I am in Cumberland Furnace, Tennessee, and this is my mother's hometown. She was born here, and it's it's small. It's small. I knew it was small. I've been here before. Back in the 60s and 70s, my mom used to bring me down to Tennessee. I didn't go to Van Lear this time, but Van Lear is a nearby town. And that's where we stayed at Cousin Lottie's house in Van Lear with Billy and them. Billy Williams. Can't find him. He's older than me. He's probably, I'm sure he's retired by now. Last I saw him, he was a young man courting some woman. And his mom's probably dead. Ruby Oliphant was his mom. And I don't know what became of them. I don't really have time to look around. I kind of messed up my schedule. Anyway, I'm going to go down a little bit further and see if there's something else here in Cumberland Furnace. I think there is. There's a Methodist church here. That looks like an old home that's been repaired and put back in service, maybe. There are some old houses here. I'm not necessarily showing them to you, but I did see some coming in. And an old storefront there. And that white building is a community center now. And as I believe, this is the road that goes off to Van Lear. There's a part of me that wants to go to Van Lear, but the sun's going down. I want to get up to Clarksville before sunset. Clarksville's just up the road, maybe 10-15 miles. But I want to get on the other side of Clarksville. I want to get into Kentucky before I stop for the night. I'm going to head to. I'm going to try to make a little foray into Illinois, and then come back into Kentucky. I want to get a geocache over in Illinois so I can get the Illinois badge. There are about 5 that are right across the bridge. I might find one. Who knows? That would be about my speed. It's Cumberland Furnace. I think I would like to live here, but I don't know. It's not just my mother's hometown. It's a nice place. It's a nice part of Dixon County. It's a nice part of Tennessee. It's a nice part of the world. and it's pleasant here, and tree-lined highways, very comfortable for motorcycle, and gently rolling hills. Yeah, maybe Eastern Tennessee. My trip to Eastern Tennessee, up to Newport and Del Rio, as much as I like the Del Rio area, as much as I like Cock County, this seems more home-like, I guess is the word I want. Alright, well, I'm going to get on the road through Clarksville. Catch you on the other side.